This is just a quick video explaining why I've decided not to continue using HeyGen, at least for the moment. First of all, I think the technology itself is quite impressive. The idea of creating an AI avatar that can read scripts and generate videos automatically is actually very clever, and when it works, the results can look surprisingly good. However, I ran into a few issues that made the experience a bit frustrating. One of the main things that caught me out was the way the credit system works. With the plan I was using, you receive a certain number of credits each month. But if you don't use them during that month, they don't roll over into the next one. So if you've still got credits left at the end of the billing period, they simply disappear and the account resets. For me, that felt a bit like losing something I'd already paid for. I hadn't used the platform much during the month, and when the cycle ended, those remaining credits were gone. Another issue I had was during the process of creating an avatar of myself. I completed the verification step once, but then the system asked me to verify again only a few minutes later. That seemed a little unnecessary, especially since I had just gone through the process. On top of that, I also had some technical problems while trying to use the platform. At different times, I tried accessing it through Safari and also through Chrome, and sometimes the system would work, and sometimes it simply wouldn't respond or complete the task. Now, that might just be a temporary technical issue, but when you combine those things together, it made the experience a bit difficult. So for the moment, I've decided not to continue with the subscription. That said, the underlying technology is still interesting, and it may well improve over time. Anyway, that's just my experience using HeyGen. Thanks for watching.
Please share, like and subscribe.